Got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold.
Hello guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, we're going to be doing a extreme clean with me, and I'm just going to be giving a more thorough cleaning of our home. I have multiple different home updates in today's video, but one of which is our new Dyson vacuum cleaner. It's a cordless vacuum, and if you've been on my channel before, you would know that I have had some difficulties with our old one, which we are still sorting out, but I ended up finding a great deal on Black Friday for a new one, so I'm just so excited to unbox it in today's video. But I'm going to start out by just clearing off our countertops and doing the dishes in our kitchen, but be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and find it motivating as you're watching it, as well as hit that red subscribe button with notification bell on if you are new here, so you don't miss out on more upcoming cleaning content from me. But I'm just going to start out cleaning our kitchen.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road in an overstain, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang. You know exactly where to push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road in an overstain, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back, just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang. My head is spinning on my shoulders, so what's the use of trying, baby? All the ways they lead to you, you're like a magnet pulling me in. I run away, hit the road in an overstain, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang.
So next up, I wanted to go ahead and clean our new glass globes for our pendant lights over the island. And if you've been on my channel before, you would know that we had relatively dated ones before, and I just wanted to update them a little bit along with the rest of our kitchen. You guys may know we have new backsplash, we changed our kitchen faucet, and I'm slowly just kind of updating the space, but I wanted to wipe these off as well as remove the little stickers of the price tags on them, and then also clean our windows here in the kitchen.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so
Alright, so now that our kitchen was clean, I was going to go ahead and open our new Dyson vacuum cleaner. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, but I just wanted to show you guys me unboxing it, and it really is probably sad how excited I was for this. It was seriously like Christmas for me, opening this all up and getting it installed, but I just first was going to take it out of the box and get it all set up, and then I needed to remove the old charging dock for our old vacuum and then put in the new one for this new vacuum, because for some reason they just have different ones. So I need to do that in our cleaning closet, and then I will kind of talk you guys through how much I liked it and all the different features that it has and all that sort of stuff.
lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. Just wear a finger for people like them. Oh, no, no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
Alright, so I would say that whole process took me about 30 minutes, but now I was going to go ahead and actually test out this vacuum, and I'm going to start by just vacuuming our couch, because I'm embarrassed to say, but it had been a few months since I had vacuumed it, because like I said, our old cordless vacuum was not working, but this was definitely very needed, and it was just so satisfying to go ahead and vacuum our couch. But I just absolutely love this vacuum, like I've already said, and it just has a lot of different features, but I mainly am just in love with the amount of suction that it has. The battery time is longer than our old one, and there's a certain feature that you're able to use when you're vacuuming your floors, where you're able to just slide it from side to side to increase or decrease the suction, whether you are vacuuming your hard wooden floors or your carpets. But I will link it down below if you guys are interested, but I also will keep you guys updated on the whole situation with our old one, and I'm going to try my best to still fix it, because we've only had it for a few years, so it should still be working.
Arms around me like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
But after just vacuuming our couch and our rug here, even though I had vacuumed a few days prior, you can just see how much suction this one vacuum has, even though it's cordless, because I had to empty the canister at least 3 times in vacuuming our house on this day. Again, it sounds like I'm sponsored, I promise I'm not, but I'm just a huge Dyson fan, and I just love all the attachments and the idea of having a cordless vacuum. But I'm now going to go ahead and vacuum the rest of our house.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. And the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties.
Now I was going to move into the last main area of our home that still needed to be cleaned, and that was my bathroom. Going to, again, just vacuum in here, then tidy up the countertops and wipe them down, and then finally clean my mirror.
What you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh.
Now, the very last thing I wanted to quickly do was just to empty my trash can in my bedroom, and then I would be completely done cleaning in this video. But I really hope you guys did enjoy and enjoyed seeing me unbox and set up our new Dyson. I'm so excited to use different features of it and just even more test it out in future videos. So be sure you are subscribed with the notification bell on so you don't miss out on those videos and upcoming cleaning content, as well as hit that big thumbs up button if you did enjoy today's video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week.